Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the Realme P1 5G, a budget-friendly smartphone that's packed with impressive features. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. 1. Realme P1 5G Design and Build. The Realme P1 boasts a sleek design with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, this screen is perfect for all your multimedia needs. The phone is available in two stunning colors, Phoenix Red and Peacock Green, with a unique feather texture that glistens in the light. 2. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Realme P1 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It comes with options for 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, expandable via micro SD card. 3. Camera capabilities. The camera setup is where things get interesting. The Realme P1 features a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. For selfies, there's a 16MP front camera. Both front and rear cameras support 1080p video recording at 60fps. 4. Battery and charging. The Realme P1 is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 45W fast charging, getting you back up and running in no time. 5. Realme P1 5G's unique features. One standout feature of the Realme P1 is its IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, making it durable for everyday use. The phone also boasts stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, providing an immersive audio experience. 6. Software and updates. Running on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0, the P1 offers a smooth and customizable user experience. Realme's commitment to software updates ensures that you stay up to date with the latest features and security patches. Conclusion. So, is the Realme P1 5G the budget-friendly phone for you? With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank, the Realme P1 might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.